How is it if you compare the EU with FDA? Do you speak about hybrid systems, that is a combination of paper-based systems and electronic systems? Is that allowed in the EU as well?
Yes, definitely, yes. There is a couple of sentences in the Annex 11 that actually supports that, and there is also a question and answer document about Annex 11 on the EMA website, so where you can read information about that. And it's actually also in Chapter 4 in the GMP that you need to have an upfront description of all the types of documents you have. So in some case, or in some aspects, it's even clearer than the FDA guidance, or a little bit stricter, because it really asks the company to upfront describe the whole document system. How are you going to deal with all the procedures and records you have? And how is it structured? Do you have everything in paper, or do you have something in paper and some in electronic versions? So you really have to explain that upfront. Yes. And that we don't really have a similar statement or nothing like that in the FDA GMP. So in that aspect, the EU GMP is a little bit more specific. But it's also easier here in EU for the regulators to update their guidelines, because they are more like guidelines. It's not like rewriting the whole directive. Right. So they have been very, very active the last 3 years and updated almost every chapter in the GMP guide. Yeah. So, yeah.